Alright, ready up. I think you guys. Okay, never mind.
Oh yeah, ready up. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
I got my lights off too. I got my boxers on.
I'm scared as fuck already. We gotta find 8 tapes. Oh shit.
Okay. Am I lagging you guys?
No.
Okay, good. It's a slight delay, not much, but just a very slight
Oh
delay.
fucking god. What is this?
Now you walk slow as shit. How you run?
Oh, we had to find
Shit.
batteries for our flashlight. That's fucked up.
Yep.
8 tapes. Let's see.
Oh my god, you turn your flashlight off, you can't see shit.
How you turn your flashlight? Oh,
How you-
F.
Oh, F.
Oh shit.
F, yeah.
What's a G?
Oh fuck.
Oh
I guess you're
shit!
screaming.
I just screamed. My bad. My bad. That's not good.
What's this? Oh, battery.
All right, so there's some blood down here dripping. No, that's not blood.
The compass R helps you find nearest tape. Oh, in here.
All right, Jay, you gotta stay close to it.
And all these
Yeah.
noises all over the place.
What's Q?
I am too.
Oh shit, my ghost.
Oh
hit.
shit! Oh shit!
Oh fuck!
What the fuck? You switch on your flashlight. You think you would have a harder time? I didn't do that. Okay. Hey, hold
What
on.
just happened?
What the fuck? Did you just die, Alex?
No, I almost did.
If you switch off your flashlight, okay. We
You
gotta
have to
save
throw
it.
lipstick to light. Oh, a light stick, not lipstick. My bad.
Switch off my flashlight, I can't see anything myself.
Okay, the tape should be around here somewhere. Yeah, I turned my flashlight off already for now. Oh, you can run, okay.
Oh, you're rolling though. Okay, nice. That's
But
what
you
I
make
want.
more noise.
I hope I have unlimited cardio. You hear that shit?
Yeah. The fuck is this thing?
I don't know. I'm right behind you. Just go.
I'll sort of watch behind us, I guess.
Okay, it should be in this room. Oh my god, it's fucking dark as fuck. Oh, the compass says nearby. It's in this room somewhere. Oh wait. You guys see it anywhere?
I'm not sure what it looks like that
Oh, I
we've
see
been
it
looking
right
for
here.
either.
I see it. It's a tape right here sticking out.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
7 more. Oh my god.
I'm saving my
Fuck is
battery
that?
right now. Oh shit! Oh shit! What?
Oh, there it is!
Oh shit!
I can't see shit.
Hey, where you guys go? What the fuck?
I'm right here. Who's this? Is that
No,
Jay?
I don't see you right
That's
here.
Are you still alive, Alex?
Yeah? Oh, there
Right
you
here.
are.
Okay, what the fuck just... Alright, the R button helps you use your compass to locate the nearby tapes.
Dude, I'm about to die.
Do you have health bar?
Everything's black and white. But Jake is
I need to
still
find.
You guys got a compass on you to know where the nearest tape is?
I do. Hold on. I'm turning it on. So, how do you
My
use the
compass
compass?
is recharging.
It's like you follow the bars like Halo.
Oh yeah, we're going the right way.
Alright, you lead.
Man, I'm about to die though. Hey Chris, you got a nice ass.
Thanks.
Even for
Jake,
trailer
you okay?
trash.
Yeah. Oh shit, Jake.
Behind
man.
it. My flashlight. I have like half battery left, so I'm trying to.
I know.
Somewhere around here. We're getting close.
I'm turning off my flashlight right now. I'm following right behind you, Chris.
I hear it.
I did too.
I'll move this way.
Okay, I looked away for like 1 second. I have no idea where you guys just went.
Oh shit, hold up. Hold on.
G. Use G.
I'm coming to you.
Well,
Over
I
here.
just shouted.
Over here. Yo, right behind you, right behind you.
Oh, hey.
Let's go.
I think we're circling around.
Alright, I'm running.
Anyone got their compass ready? I hear it.
Yeah, my compass is good.
I hear that white. Oh shit!
Okay, I can stun him. We can stun him. I didn't know we could stun him.
Dead. Oh my god. What the fuck? Wait a minute, hold on.
Come back as a ghost though. I know that for sure.
Oh shit, I am a ghost. I am a demon.
My flashlight's almost gone. Pick up this candle? No.
What does this do?
Throw a glow stick though. Oh! It got me! Behind you!
Oh wait, no, I can still help you guys.
Oh, found it.
Nice.
Oh, there's Jake. Straight ahead. Okay, going the right way.
Alright, you can tell me when to go. I can go in front of you guys. I don't need a flashlight. Which way are you going?
Think to the right.
Alright, let me scope it out. Alright, you're good.
I hear it. There's you need batteries, Jake? Right here.
I got like 3/4 still. Oh, there it is.
I can't do anything to help you guys. Man, I don't think we're going the right way.
Oh shit. Flashlight's off. Cujo disabled it.
What's his name?
Oh shit.
I just said Cujo.
It's coming at me! Ah!
If you-
I'm stuck!
If you look at it, if you
Really?
keep looking at it, it's gonna like stay daze you.
Where is he?
Yeah, get out of here. If I keep looking at supernatural events for too long, I'll lose my sanity. Oh, that's good. Throw down a glow stick. Wow, my dude chucked that. I did not mean to throw it way the fuck over there.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, it already went away. Fuck.
So the interesting thing is, like, so down here I saw like. Oh!
God damn.
God damn.
I was looking
So
at
as I was saying,
my compass and shit.
as I was saying, so there's like this hive that shows up, and then when I go near it, it says banish idol. So I banish it and it just disappears. I don't know what that does.
Is your compass up, Chris?
It says, yeah.
Mine is.
Right here, yeah. It just said go back up here. Yeah, mom about to die too.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. My compass does work. Man, you die. It's just Jake.
Is your compass working right
Wait,
now?
hold on. I see an idol.
Yeah.
I don't know what this means.
I can use it.
Going the right way?
It's telling me that I'm like right on top of it. I think mine's a little screwed up.
Why here's static?
I'm not hearing anything.
I hear the static, so it must be getting close. You remember the game Fear?
Yeah.
Imagine that little ghost girl pop up every time. I don't think I'll be able to handle it.
Fuck that.
Okay, now let's say we're going over here. My compass telling me.
Hold on. There's an idol over there. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go destroy it real quick. Alright, hold on.
Oh, because it tells us where our location is today.
Right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, I found it.
Nice.
Nice. Finally. My flashlight's pretty much dead now.
I just keep mine off the whole time. I'm about to go back upstairs, Jake. Behind me. Oh, god damn it, Alex. Fucking shit.
I know. I'm down glowing blue and it scares me too.
Like the other one I found.
Oh, there he is! Oh shit! My flat. He got me.
Oh shit.
I need help.
Coming.
I don't know what to do.
He's killing me.
It's done.
My screen is all black and white now too.
Oh man.
There's some kind of board. Oh god damn it, Alex. Fuck. I don't even know where the fuck you at anymore.
I'm over. Oh!
Fuck shit!
Oh shit, he did.
Oh my god!
Alright, Jake, you on your own.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he was like that when he came over here.
Shit. That was the worst jump
My
scare I've ever had so far.
My compass is telling me that I'm like right on top of it again, but I'm not hearing anything.
Oh my god.
Hey Chris, you look like Cortana.
Oh, right here. On this table.
I'm coming.
And I was like, nah, bro, I got it. Alright,
Hey,
yeah.
yo, you got tables?
Yeah. CJ, remember? Yeah.
Oh man, I was always looking on like those
Oh my god.
VHS
2 more,
things, whatever
man.
they're called.
You got this.
You got this. You might want to turn your flashlight off.
Oh, it's 2 idols. I'm gonna destroy them.
Oh, shit, we're in a pool.
Oh damn. Glow
Oh,
stick.
right here. One more.
Troy fucking lost.
The hell?
Damn, ants, get the fuck out of me.
That scared the shit out of me.
I'm starting to hear it. Maybe there's one in here.
No, I don't think that's white noise. It's like electricity.
So I don't know where my compass is taking me now.
Oh, it's showing we went past it. It's telling us to go back.
I ain't worried about y'all team.
This room maybe?
Ben's gonna be hurt, but your team is still good. I told you that.
Flashlight?
Okay.
It's telling me it's either below us or above us.
Oh, I hear static.
I wonder if the static's a tape or the monster itself.
Ah, found it. It's over here.
Oh shit.
Chris, you see my highlight?
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, it's
Follow
over
me.
here.
Remember, turn your flashlight, everything off.
Yeah, it's off. It's off.
Like on this
Alright.
table.
On this table here.
Yeah.
Do it. Yes.
Nice.
Oh, shoot that map.
I did a little impromptu.
Shows us where we got caught and shit.
Right?
You don't want to leave her now?
Hey, how big is the actual?
Holy shit, man. We were everywhere.
And I was throwing those glow sticks. I threw 9. Damn.
There hasn't been like over 20 minutes in just this area.